Welcome back once more, YouTubers. We are still on that part of the theorem, proving. Now we are going to do theorem 3. Theorem 3 reads as follows. If the angle subtended by a chord at a point on the second is 90 degrees, then the chord is a diameter. Right, let's say we have a circle here. We have a circle here. If the angle subtended by a chord, let's say this is a chord, at a point on the circle is 90 degrees. Say for instance you have this. This is what we have, A, B, and C. You have chord A, B. You have C is equals to 90 degrees. This is given. You are given that that angle is going to be 90. This is the condition that this statement talks about. Now, there is no proving in this theorem, grade 12. According to my opinion, I don't know the other teachers or the other individuals, mathematicians. This is an axiom. This is a theorem which is adopted from the axiom. The axiom, you remember, the axiom is a statement that you cannot deny. It's a statement that you cannot challenge. You cannot change. The idiom is like 1 plus 1 is 2. Nobody can prove otherwise unless there are those mathematicians who have went abroad to prove that there is a complex numbers and the likes and the likes. But 1 plus 1 remains 2. So it is an axiom. As much as theorem 3 is an axiom. This, then you are going to say, you take the very same circle. Sorry for my drawing. Right, let's say this is our chord AB. Then we have C as 90, and here we indicate that it is 90 degrees, C as 90. Now what we can say? We can say that now we have center O. I'd love to put my O that side. Center O. We have AB as a diameter. Why am I saying AB diameter? A chord that goes through the center is no more a chord, it's a diameter. Now, why do I say this is a center? It's a center because we have the angle that is formed at the circumference is 90 degrees. It was given as the chord AB. It eventually changes to be a chord, from being a chord into a diameter, because it goes through the center O. Hence the statement, they say that chord is a diameter. Now AB is no longer a chord, it's a diameter with C equals to 90 degrees. This is what we, at the center O. The difference between this and that, we were given that this is AB, a chord. There was no center in it. We were given that the angle subtended by chord AB at the circumference is 90 degrees. Yes, we agree, we have that. But once we have a center that AB crosses through the center, it is no longer called a chord, it is a diameter with center O, and the same angle is 90 degrees. Hence I say here you just showcase the condition which changes the chord into a diameter. Once you include the diameter, do not forget to say you have developed a center O. Hence I say this is a theorem which was adopted from the axiom. Thank you very much, YouTubers. I'd love to continue, but I cannot talk more than this. This is the end of it. Uncle Pythagoras signing out. Do not forget to subscribe, share the videos, and also continue to watch my videos and continue to comment. Yes, we need your comment to flow, and do not forget to continue. Do not stop there. The ads, watch all the ads because they count towards the watch hour. Thank you very much. The Pythagoras signing out.